All right, so I have this SUGIFT pressure washer all assembled. It does 3,000 PSI is what they say. I went ahead and attached the hose reel up on top. It's nice and long. So this guy's going together really easily. I just put 2 screws in to hold the reel on the top. It goes ahead and pushes in, and it's going to connect right here. We're going to put our main water hose right down here at the bottom. We've got a nice selector switch here. I like that they put a reel on here. That makes it really convenient. Usually you gotta kind of wrap it around, but this is gonna be nice to have this reel. Just goes together. Super easy. See, oh, super easy connection. Boom. I love that it comes with this attachment to clean the floors. You got your brush, this floor cleaner attachment. You plug right into the end of the pressure washer, and it does do the floor. This guy will spin around with high pressure coming out. I'm going to use it to try to get some of this really stubborn grease that we got on the floor over here from the tire machine. This is really stubborn grease, so I'll be impressed if it gets this off. Let's check it out. Oh, cleaning it right up. Awesome. I can see the suds are coming out, but that's doing a great job. That's cleaning it right up. I've got the 45-degree tip on there. I like that one a lot. What's on the floor here has been on here for years. Look at that. But this pressure washer seems to be working just fine for what I need it to do. I'm going to be using here in the shop maybe almost every day, cleaning off grease from engine panels, cleaning my floor up. I'm so happy. This is going to make this area look brand new again. So I like it. I recommend it. Check it out. Click on the link below. Pick one up. Thanks, guys.